Screw press consists of stacked screw body, mixing system, filtrate tank, screw shaft, drive device. So let's start with this. The sludge to be treated and the condensate pass through the dosing pump. Enter the flocculation mixing tank at the same time, and fully mixed by the action of stirring slurry. Form alumina. Then the sludge autoflow. Enter dehydration basin composed of spiral shaft and Powery ring. The main body of dehydration is divided into concentration section and dehydration section. When the screw shaft rotates, the moving ring around the helical shaft moves relatively up and down. Under the action of gravity, the liquid is filtered out of the relatively moving disc gap. Achieve rapid enrichment. The pitch of the helical shaft in the dehydration section gradually creating decreases, extrusion pressure on sludge, concentrated sludge. As the spiral shaft rotates, it keeps moving forward. The spiral chamber keeps shrinking in size. Under the action of outlet backplane, internal pressure gradually increases. Driven by the continuous operation of the helical shaft in sequence, the moisture in the sludge is strongly squeezed. Ultimately achieve continuous dehydration. After the mud cake has been fully dehydrated, discharge from the discharge port under the propulsion of the helical shaft.